Hi everyone, how's it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Welcome back to the channel. Yes guys, in today's video I am going to be attempting to make banana bread. Yes, banana bread. And you're seeing here all my ingredients, which is the banana, most importantly, baking soda, baking powder, flour, a little bit of milk, sugar, vanilla, nutmeg, and cinnamon powder. And yes guys, I am attempting this. Now what I'm going to do is to mash the banana, then I'm going to be adding some butter. Now you can use melted butter, but I did not melt my butter, so that's all right. You can use what you have. All right, now I'm going to be adding my baking powder, and also right after the baking powder I'm gonna be adding some baking soda. Yeah, baking soda. All right guys, and yes, I don't measure my ingredients, I just go with what I think. All right, so now I'm adding a little bit of cinnamon powder, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of nutmeg. Right, once I've done that, I'm then going to be mixing all my ingredients together. I also put a little bit of vanilla in that as well, and just mixing everything, mix it into a perfect batter. All right, now once you mix that in your batter, make sure you add your eggs, but also take out the eyes from the egg. Yeah, you don't want your egg to be raw. You don't, not your egg, you don't want the banana bread to be raw, right? So I make sure to add it. And guys, yes, I know you saw that I forgot to add the salt. Yeah, but no worries, it wasn't a lot of salt, it was a little bit of salt. All right, then I'm going to move on to adding my sugar. Once you add the sugar, just go ahead and just mix away, mix everything into one, right? And you're gonna mix it. Yeah, your hand is gonna feel a bit tired sometimes, but of course, you know, you have to make sure that the butter come together. And in order for your butter to come together, you would need to add some flour. So once you add the flour, you just go ahead and mix it. Yes, your hand is going to hurt you a little bit, but just keep going, because you want to get the correct what you call it, consistency of your mixture. And that is what you see me doing here. I just mix in the flour until I get everything looking nice and fluffy and just ready to go in the oven. Guys, also make sure you preheat your oven, right? You do not want to put your butter in the oven and it's not preheated nor heated any at all, because that would totally be a complete mess and we do not want that. All right, yes, your girl is baking. Ali in the kitchen baking. All right, let me leave the singing, because you know me and the singing don't work out well. All right guys, now right after this, once the consistency is good, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pour it into my container. You can use a loaf pan, however I did not have a loaf pan, so what I am pouring mine in is one of those tin sheets, and that is what I use to bake. So my tin sheet, I made sure to grease it already with oil, and then I'm just going to pour in my butter in this sheet. Look at that, it looks so good. Ali with the baking. All right, yes guys, so I did try. And furthermore, if you're this far in the video, that means you like my channel and you like what I'm doing. So just go ahead and hit on the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Right? Yes, man. I'm Ali, your girl from Home Job Success with Ali. We have to make it. All right. Now, guys, now that I'm finished putting the butter in the container, in the baking pan here, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to be putting it inside the oven. And yes, my oven, it is heated, because I heard the little timer thing on it went ting, meaning that it is it's preheated. All right, yes, so I left that there for about 45 minutes, and look at me, just look at me here. I'm so proud of myself, guys. My banana bread. And furthermore, my mom doesn't even know that I am baking a banana bread to take for her. Yes, look at this. Nothing is on my knife. I am so happy good girl Ali baking banana bread. What I'm going to do now, guys, I'm just going to remove it from the oven because I do not want for it to stay there and get dry. I don't like when your banana bread is too dry. You get me? Yeah, man. I like when it's nice and fluffy. Look at this. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. Guys, I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, here trying out my banana bread. And yes, look at that. It's not the way you would think it is now because it's hot, but trust me, it tastes good and ooh, cool. That was when you know it's going to be tasting good. All right. So guys, take care, and that's me with my banana bread. Your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali saying peace. Take care. Bye.